Let's be honest, we all love a good plate of crispy, saucy wings. There's something about that perfect combination of crunch and flavor that makes them irresistible. They're the ultimate game day snack, a staple at any sports gathering or casual get-together, a crowd-pleasing appetizer that never fails to delight, and just plain delicious. But, as much as we love them, traditional chicken wings can be quite heavy and greasy. But what if I told you that you could enjoy that same satisfying crunch and spicy kick without all the guilt? Imagine indulging in your favorite game day treat without worrying about the extra calories and fat. Enter crispy baked cauliflower wings with spicy buffalo sauce. This innovative recipe is a game changer for anyone looking to enjoy their favorite snacks in a healthier way. This recipe transforms humble cauliflower florets into irresistible, addictive bites that are surprisingly healthy and totally plant-based. It's amazing how a simple vegetable can be turned into something so delicious and satisfying. Forget greasy, heavy chicken wings. These cauliflower wings are a fantastic alternative that doesn't compromise on taste or texture. These cauliflower wings offer a lighter, brighter alternative that won't weigh you down. They're perfect for those who want to enjoy their snacks without feeling sluggish afterward. They're baked, not fried, so you can indulge without the extra calories and fat. Baking them ensures they have that perfect crunch while keeping them much healthier. Plus, they're coated in a vibrant homemade buffalo sauce that's bursting with flavor. This sauce is the perfect blend of spicy and tangy, making each bite a flavor explosion. Whether you're a committed vegan, a curious vegetarian, or simply someone looking for healthier snack options, these cauliflower wings are a game changer. They cater to a wide range of dietary preferences and are sure to be a hit with everyone. They're easy to make, incredibly delicious, and sure to impress even the most die-hard wing enthusiast. With just a few simple ingredients and steps, you can whip up a batch of these wings in no time. All you need is some fresh cauliflower, a few pantry staples, and your favorite buffalo sauce. The preparation is straightforward, making it a great recipe for both novice and experienced cooks. Once you've coated the cauliflower florets in the batter and baked them to perfection, simply toss them in the buffalo sauce. The result is a batch of wings that are crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and packed with flavor. Serve them at your next game day party, and watch as they disappear in no time. These wings are not only a healthier option, but also a conversation starter. Your guests will be amazed that something so tasty can be made from cauliflower. So, the next time you're planning a game day menu, give these crispy baked cauliflower wings a try. They're a delicious, guilt-free way to enjoy your favorite flavors and make your game day spread a little bit healthier. For the full recipe and more healthy game day snack ideas, check out the link in the description. Happy snacking! Ready to work some kitchen magic? Today, we're transforming a humble vegetable into a delicious, crowd-pleasing snack. Turning cauliflower into wings is easier than you might think. Here's what you'll need to get started on this culinary adventure. First, take one large head of cauliflower and cut it into bite-sized florets. This will be the base of our wings. Next, measure out half a cup of all-purpose flour. This will help create the crispy coating that makes these wings so irresistible. You'll also need half a cup of milk. You can use almond, soy, or regular milk, whatever suits your dietary preferences or what you have on hand. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder for that aromatic, savory flavor. Then, measure out 1 tablespoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of paprika. These spices will add depth and a hint of heat to our wings. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. These basic seasonings will enhance all the other flavors. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup easier. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, milk, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper until you have a smooth batter. This mixture will coat the cauliflower and give it that delicious, crispy texture. Now, dip each cauliflower floret into the batter, making sure it's fully coated. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crunch. Arrange the coated florets in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Make sure they aren't touching so they can crisp up evenly. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through to ensure even cooking. You'll know they're ready when they're golden brown and crispy. Enjoy your homemade cauliflower wings. While the cauliflower wings are baking, it's time to create the star of the show, the spicy buffalo sauce. This sauce is what will give your wings that irresistible kick and tangy flavor that everyone loves. You'll need half a cup of hot sauce. Use your favorite brand, whether it's a classic like Frank's Red Hot or something with a unique twist. Next, add 1/4 cup of melted vegan butter or regular butter. The butter helps to mellow out the heat and adds a rich, creamy texture to the sauce. Then, measure out 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This adds a tangy bite that balances the spiciness of the hot sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder for a subtle, savory depth. And don't forget half a teaspoon of onion powder, which complements the garlic and adds a hint of sweetness. If you want extra heat, add a pinch of cayenne pepper. This is optional, but perfect for those who love their wings extra spicy. In a small saucepan, combine all the ingredients over medium heat. This is where the magic happens as the flavors start to meld together. Whisk continuously until the butter is melted and the sauce is smooth. This ensures that all the ingredients are well incorporated and the sauce has a consistent texture. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and intensify, creating a perfectly balanced buffalo sauce that's ready to coat your crispy cauliflower wings. Once the sauce is ready, pour it generously over your baked cauliflower wings. Make sure each piece is well coated for maximum flavor. Serve your buffalo cauliflower wings hot, garnished with celery sticks and your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy the perfect blend of spicy, tangy, and savory in every bite. Don't be fooled by its mild flavor and unassuming appearance. Cauliflower is a nutritional superstar. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent immune booster, and vitamin K, essential for bone health. Cauliflower is also a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer. Plus, it's low in calories, fat, and carbohydrates, making it a healthy and delicious addition to any diet. Chicken wings versus cauliflower wings, a health face-off. Let's compare traditional chicken wings to our baked cauliflower wings. Chicken wings, 3 pieces, calories 280 to 350, fat 20 to 25 grams, protein 15 to 20 grams. Cauliflower wings, 1 cup, calories 100 to 150, fat 5 to 8 grams. As you can see, cauliflower wings are significantly lower in calories and fat compared to their chicken counterparts. While they may not be as high in protein, they more than make up for it in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These crispy baked cauliflower wings with spicy buffalo sauce are much more than just a healthy alternative. They're a flavor explosion waiting to happen. The cauliflower becomes tender on the inside with a satisfyingly crispy exterior, and the buffalo sauce, get ready for a tangy, spicy kick that will leave you craving more. These wings are incredibly versatile. Serve them as a game day snack, a party appetizer, or even as a light main course with a side of your favorite dipping sauce. Trust me, once you try them, you'll be adding these cauliflower wings to your regular rotation. Once your cauliflower wings are golden brown and crispy, toss them in the warm buffalo sauce until evenly coated. Serve them immediately for maximum crunch and enjoy. For a classic presentation, serve your cauliflower wings with crisp celery sticks, creamy ranch dressing, and your favorite dipping sauces. While the spicy buffalo sauce is a classic pairing for cauliflower wings, don't be afraid to get creative with flavors. You can easily adapt this recipe to suit your taste preferences. For BBQ lovers, toss the baked cauliflower wings in your favorite barbecue sauce for a smoky, tangy twist. If you prefer sweet and spicy, combine honey, soy sauce, and sriracha for a sticky, addictive glaze. And for a garlic parmesan flavor, toss the wings in melted vegan butter, garlic powder, and grated Parmesan cheese for a savory, cheesy taste. Crispy baked cauliflower wings with spicy buffalo sauce are a testament to the deliciousness of plant-based cooking. They're a fun, flavorful, and healthy way to enjoy your favorite game day snack without any guilt. So ditch the greasy wings and embrace the power of the cauliflower. It's time to get cooking and discover a whole new world of flavor. Subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life.